Yo guys, what's good? So I saw this tweet and more refreshed S's were spotted on a delivery trailer, but this time the delivery trailer was leaving the Fremont factory. Holy guacamole! So deliveries are probably starting pretty soon. Also, these refreshed S's had the regular steering wheel, unfortunately no yoke. But anyways, let's see these photos. Okay, so here it is. We can get a view of the rear, and if you look through the rear window of the white model, you can see a little bit of the interior, and in the middle of the interior, it's all black. That's the screen. It's the horizontal screen, what we all wanted in the S and the X. You guys can get a look at the new rear diffuser. It looks really cool, and you can see that black trim. So we can see there are 5 models on this delivery trailer, and if you look through the rear window of the white model again, you can see the lower part of the dash is white. That's exactly what we saw on the website. It's kind of awkward that the Model S spotted by the kilowatts with the yoke steering wheel had the white interior, but the lower part of the dash was black still. But it's not that big of a deal. But as you guys can see, 4 of these have the Tempest wheel, but only 1 out of these 5 models has the Arachnid wheels. This picture, we can clearly see this model has the regular steering wheel, which is strange. This model, I understand why it has the regular steering wheel. That's because they're doing some validation testing to make sure there are no problems with it at all. And I understand that they probably didn't want to waste time on just completing the design, even though they're not selling this car yet. But in these pictures, we can see everything is put together on all 5 of these models. And it's really strange that this white model has the regular steering wheel. Some of the other models may have the yoke steering wheel. Unfortunately, we don't have pictures of the interior of the other models. And it's unfortunate that we can't see much of the interior because this delivery trailer was taking these models somewhere. It was not parked in one place. Here we can see the side of these 2. And I can't wait to get my hands on one of these because the interior of this new refreshed S and X is just beautiful, super luxurious. I love the fact that Tesla is now understanding the pros about luxury interiors. And even better, they understand good headlights are important. The previous S and X had terrible headlights. The Model 3 and Y had pretty good headlights, but the latest Model 3 has the LED matrix headlights, which are way better than the previous ones. And I'm pretty sure the refreshed S and X have the LED matrix headlights, but the new LED matrix headlights in the Model 3, we're expecting them to do some matrix in a certain amount of time, like blacking out the light shining in your eyes of the other car on the opposite side of you of the street. But yeah, we should see these headlights doing some matrix in like the next year or in a few months. But yeah, I can't wait to just sit in these. This is one of my dream cars. My 2 dream cars are the Tesla Roadster and this new refreshed S. Oh my god, this new refreshed S has the most beautiful interior. That's what I put in the banner of my Twitter profile. One beautiful car, Tesla Model S, and then the picture of the interior. But I can't wait for the deliveries of these to start and for these to come to showrooms because I really want to sit in one of these. And once I could sit in one of these, for sure, video coming on that. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, comment, and see you in the next one.